How to buy Wolf of Wall Street token. So this token came under the symbol of wolf. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before we want to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It created 20 hours ago and increased by 600,000% in the last 24 hours. As you can see, 600,000% in the last 4 hours. The liquidity unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. So as you can see, this token, it's trending number 15 in this online section. To be able to buy this token, we will use the Radium for that. Now first of all, connect your wallet. We will use the BitKit wallet for that. So after that, you connect your wallet. If you don't find your token here in the bottom, you can go back to the explainer and you copy the token address and go back to the Radium. So click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So after that, you will be able to see your token here. Now click on this add token and click on the token again, and you will be able to find it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet, of course. After that, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on more info and make sure to put all that information here. And if you are ready to go, now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Wolf token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.